Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Raj. So we understand that there is a theft epidemic with the Tesla Model 3s. If you haven't seen a lot of the posts online, you'll see that what thieves are typically doing are breaking the rear corner glass, reaching their hand in, folding down the seats to see if you have anything of value in your trunk. If you do, they break the bigger glass, get in there, and steal your stuff. So recently, I teamed up with Tesla DIY, and we put our heads together and created a product to help with the epidemic. The product is called Drop Lock. Drop Lock allows you to lock your rear seats such that the thief cannot fold down the seats.
So after about 40 revisions later, we have finally perfected the design which allows you to simply drop it in seconds and protect your valuable in the trunk.
We're super excited about Drop Lock and can't wait to get it in your hands. Drop Lock is going to go on sale today at drop-lock.shopify.com. I'll put a link to it in the description below. With your order, you will get 2 locks, one for the left seat and one for the right seat, as well as a vinyl sticker that you can stick on both sides of the glass, warning your thief that these seats are locked to hopefully prevent your glass from being broken. Just a reminder, these products are all deterrents to help prevent your car from being broken into. But we want to make it easy for you, so those of you that are folding down your seats every time you park your car is very inconvenient. We want to eliminate that, and we hope that is resolved with Drop Lock. And if you're interested in a lot of DIY for your Tesla, like Chrome delete and things of that sort, check out Tesla DIY's channel. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing that as well. If you have any questions about the Drop Lock, please leave them in the comments down below. We'll be there answering. Also, in the packaging, we will be including a simple removal tool for Drop Lock. Hopefully you'll be picking them up, and I'll catch you guys next time.